muna. Ito munang top na to. So just so you know, alright, just be honest mga sisi tayo. Pag sinabi ko sisters ng mga large XL, that's Asian size. So if you're located abroad, I know sa US, Canada, you have your sizing there since malalaking bulas yung mga Canadian, if you know what I mean. At saka ang mga Americans. So, tayo ang i-follow natin Asian size. Kung anong size niya sa Pilipinas, yun ka, sisters, no? So, kapag sinabi kong, ay, message, hindi siya kasya kasi sabi mo ganito, ma'am, tayo po ay Asian size. Okay? Ang inyong tindera po ay large. 38 po ang bust ko. Yes.
So, expect natin
Asian size. Okay? 30 ang bewang ko. So, ako, kaya pag may nagsasabi, hindi ko naman large. So, large po ako ng Asia. Sa Asia, ako po ay large. 30 ang bewang. Okay, Sisi, medyo malaking bulas din ang inyong tindera. So, I'll show you closer look ng fabric, no? So, kasi gusto ko pag natanggap nyo, I will be very honest when it comes to fabric. It's like cotton, pero hindi siya parang spandex, no? Malambot ang pagka-cotton niya. There's nothing special with the stitches and all, with the design and all, but, pwede mo pa rin siyang, ano tawag dyan, isabihin maganda yung pagka-cotton niya. Okay? Kasi ayoko pag na-receive nyo, ay, ganito pala siya. So, again, ang pagka-cotton niya is a super-duper cotton. Very good for summer. Even the, what do you call that? Etong pagka-racer back niya, it gives you that very sexy style. Yon, Sisi, no? And this is only $5.99. Okay, sisters? Kahit cotton siya, may bigat pa rin to, ha? Meron kasing ganito din cotton manipis. So, this one is not. May bigat siya, sisters. So, as you can see, ha? May to. So, this one, so as you can see, it's really, really good. Agree, I told you. Ninang Edith, ha? Hi, Miss Edith. Alright, hello po. Hello. And another one, sisters. Sisi, may 10-16 ka tonight. Wala. I like the pants. Hi, Sisi. Okay. And then another one, Sisi, ay sea cargo tayo. Okay, I'll be very honest. This 3rd week of June ang arrival. Okay, there you go. So, let's start. Dito naman, comfy to wear. It's very comfy to wear. You know, just your everyday. It's your everyday. Lang po. And parang medyo uso to ngayon sa Philippines, sister. So the best adjective that we can use for this one, it's soft, it's comfy. That's the thing. So if you're into that parang description ng damit, then this is for you, sisters. So, let me remove the top. So, hindi siya crop top, sisters. Hindi siya crop top. Ganito siya kahaba. There you go. Kung hindi kayo pala top in. Kahit naman hindi naka-top in, apakaganda. $5.99 door to door. So, nakaka-flatter siya. Ayan, ang inyong ganito. Super nice. So, kung i-stretch natin siya, sisikasya to hanggang XL frame. Okay? Sa 2XL, medyo masikip na to. Pero still, kasya to ng XL frame. If you're small, medium, perfect. Ako po ay large, and still, very stretchy pa din, kaya ng XL. Ang gandang i-partner sa jeans, sa pants, and the short. Meron tong kapartner na pants, so let's talk about it later. Let's have the top first, okay? Ang code natin dito, Sisi, is, ano to? Summer top, okay? It's a tank top, summer top. We have the orange, $5.99 door to door. So, ang suot ko Sisi is navy, $5.99. Pin comment na. So, we have the orange. Let's have with the bright colors. Yung talagang, grabe, tinan nyo naman to. Grabe. Oh, this is one of my palette. Itong color na ito. Super nice siya, no? This is the summer top royal. That's why I ask you. Yes, you can definitely, Miss H, pa-invest ako ng skirt na may pasabi po ng payment ko. Okay po. Diyan ako magme-melt sa mga padya ko. May padya. Pag may padya ko, maganda. So, we have the royal. See, there. So, i-feel natin ng konti. $5.99 lang to, Sisi. Yes, you can wear it sa bahay. Okay din siya. Lalabas kayo. Okay din. We have the yellow color. Ganda ng yellow, no? Then, we have the army. $5.99 lang to. Door to door. This one is neon. Neon po ito. Neon. Summer top ahem. Thank you po! Then we have the Barbie. $5.99 sisters. To your bahay. Of course, the black color.
Ninang Edith. Ano yan?
Hi, Miss Viv. Victoria. Hi, ma'am.
Ninang edit. Si mama ninang edit sa ano? Tawag ito?
Ano?
First minor?
Siya ang ating buena mano. Sana all ang buena mano. Di syempre, free lipstick. Free lipsticks. We have the gray color or stone. Then we have the choco. There you go. So, again, so ang bright colors na meron tayo. Nasaan ang bright colors? There. Yan. So, we have 5 bright colors. Pili na lang kayo. Yellow, neon. I don't use filter. What you see is what you get. There you go. So, talagang pang everyday can. See, that's your everyday top. And then, we have the parang mga neutral colors or earth colors. There you go. For only $599. Let's start with the top first. And then, meron tong katuwang na pads. There you go. Free delivery to your doorstep. Thank you very much. Yellow kay Miss Amelia, okay po. Kay Miss Edith, salamat po ng madami. I would really appreciate, sister, if you can definitely share the love and comment sa DCC. Thank you very much. Or maybe tell to your BFF that, uy, bili ka dito, ganda nito. Thank you, Miss MK. Thank you, Miss Amelia. Thank you very much. There you go. So again, nakaka-flatter. If you're small, medium, perfect, small, medium, large. Pero kasha din siya ng XL since the top is very stretchy. Sisi.
Thanks, Lord. It's Friday, Ma'am Sheila. Thank you, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Sheila. Hello, ma'am. Yours na CCG. Bright red and neon yellow. Okay, ito na yung ito na yung pinaka ano niya. Sige, mag-send ka pa sa akin ng picture. There. So, this one is the yellow. Last call for this one. Again, we have summer yellow. Summer neon. Grabe yung neon, no? Oh my God. Napakaganda. Oh my God. Very yamanin si neon. Next, the Barbie color. The Never Disappoint color. One of my favorites as well. Yan yung mga Barbie. Kita nyo ba sa mga pinipili kong damit? Laging may Barbie. Royal as well. Look at the Royal sisters. Next, we have the orange color. $599 door to door. Orange, my favorite color. Next, we have the Army CC. Kung may gusto kayo ipasukat na kulay, huwag kayong mahiya sa akin. I'm happy to wear it. Black, sisters, stone, CC, or gray. And then we have it in choco. So, tayo na isang bright color, no?